Hello everybody, my name is Arthur. I'm a 15-year-old entrepreneur. I sell on eBay and Amazon, and you clicked on this video because you want to know how to send offers to your buyers on eBay. And I'm going to go through two ways, one through mobile and one through desktop. So stay tuned to learn how. First, we'll start off with mobile. So when you first click on the eBay app, it'll take you to the home page. You're going to want to click the bottom right where it says selling. So you want to click it, then it'll bring you to this page. Now you'll see right here it says send offer to buyers. You're going to want to click that. And now it'll show all the listings that you can send offers to. Currently I only have one, so when you do click send offer, it'll bring up this page where you enter the amount that you want. So I have it listed for 25, let's say I put 22. Also, you could put in a message with your offer. So you could type something like, this is the lowest I can go. But adding a message is completely optional. Now, if you're gonna do it on your desktop, this is what you need to do. So, you're gonna have to go to your eBay Seller Hub, and right here on the bottom left, you'll see it says listings eligible to send offers. So you wanna click that, then it'll bring you a page like this. You'll scroll down, and again, this is the same item that I had before. And you'll see all of your items that you could send offers for. Then you'll click this button right here, send offer. Or if there's multiple, you could click multiple and send offers like bundled up. But I only have one, so we'll press send offer. Now, the thing about desktop, you have multiple ways you could send offers. Like before, we had an offer amount right here. So it would, like I did before, it would be like $22, and I could write my message. I can allow counter offers, like they counter offer with like $24 or $23. Or you can automatically send offers. So what automatically send offers means is once someone new is a watcher of your item, right when they become a watcher, an offer gets sent to them automatically without you having to do anything, which is up to you if you want to do that or not. But as you can see right here, there's another option to send an offer amount or a percentage off. You could write 3% off. Oh, okay, percent off must be at least 5%. I actually didn't know that. So 5% I could say is obviously the lowest you could do. So 5%, and it says right here how much it's going to be with 5% off. So it's going to be $23.70. And you think, I'll give them a little bit more. Instead of 50, let's go with 10. $22.45. I like 10% off. And you could send offer. Again, you could get a message. You could do the message, allow counter offers, or automatically send offers with this method as well. Make sure to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials for eBay and Amazon and other business stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.